Struggling with content creation? Free AI tools can transform your writing and streamline your workflow. In this video, we explore how AI enhances blogging. Creating effective blogs is tough. Integrating AI with SEO boosts performance and meets audience needs. Tools like Yoast SEO and Answer the Public optimize your writing. Here are 8 free AI tools to elevate your content. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI generates human-like text, ideal for drafting engaging content on tech trends. 2. Grammarly offers grammar and style suggestions, ensuring clarity and professionalism in your writing. 3. Hemingway Editor improves readability by highlighting complex sentences for straightforward writing. 4. Quillbot paraphrases and summarizes content, helping maintain originality while rephrasing blog posts. 5. Yoast SEO optimizes your blog with real-time feedback and SEO tips for engaging posts. 6. Copy.ai generates high-quality content quickly, providing valuable drafts and ideas for digital advertising topics. 7. HubSpot's Blog Ideas Generator helps brainstorm topics based on keywords for your content calendar. These AI tools simplify drafting and optimizing content, enhancing your strategy. They promote faster writing and better audience engagement. While useful, use these tools to enhance, not replace, your creativity. Consider Pepper's content marketing platform to elevate your strategy with top talent and expertise. Start using these tools today for better blogging. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more content tips.